So I got this gym kit. One of the glues is leaking, and so everything was sticky. So I had to wipe this off, and I wipe everything off. This is savable. These are all ruined. This is leaking. I think this is usable. I had to wipe all these off. And then these are the gems. The box is still sticky. This is all of them. And then I got these little bears with crystal hearts. And then this box of flowers. So this is what the bears look like compared to my finger.
Do you like playing with blankies, Molly?
Hey, so the last package came in. I got the other set of gems, but the purple ones. This time the glue wasn't busted. And I heard that this is really good glue. And now I have another backup of this stuff, which I can't wait to use. Another nail file or rhinestone picker, cuticle, another, this is very, very sharp tweezers. And it comes with the tip guides, which I was excited about getting with my last box. And then this nail tape is purple hollow. The other one was gold. This is what it looks like. So this was everywhere, so I had to go fetch them all in the envelope. But this is everything that comes in the box. That is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.